Good afternoon, everybody. Nick here with Kaizink. We're over here at our computer and we're going to print out some size labels. Now we use these size labels on the press as we're printing. We just pull them off a roll and we tack them to the garment. However, the way that we've been doing it is they all come upside down, so we have to inevitably flip them over before we can print them. So what we're going to do here is anytime you have to print your labels that you're going to be folding and tagging, you're going to select your size, select print, come into properties, and you're going to select this rotate 180. All right, so we're going to keep it on portrait, but you're going to want to rotate those 180. So as they come out of the printer here, they're all going to come out upside down, which is going to be how we want them to go onto our roll. So as we pull them off, it's going to be upside down, and it's going to be very easy for us to just peel one off and stick it right to our garment versus having to flip it around. Thanks, guys.